Hey guys, we have a powerful light solution from Zhiyun. This time, Cinepeer C100 light. Let's unzip the bag and you get this handsome and very sleek light. And inside this set, you get, of course, the barn that comes with the light. And you also get the diffuser, very easily can be attached with the barn doors. And you also get the grid. All comes in the set. And this barn door, yes, it can be taken off if you wish. So let me turn on the light. All I need to do is single press and long press. Ta-da! The light is here, and yes, it's super bright. Actually, right now the dimness is at 20% only, and I can hardly open my eyes. So this is the light. You can hold it with your hand. Super portable, super mobile, yet you'll be surprised what kind of features this C100 light has. So let me just stand it because the design is so sleek but practical. So it can actually stand on this side and this side, or you can just have it here. And there are universal adapter hole here as well as on the other side. So you can actually stand it attached to the tripod if you want. But of course you can just hand hold it, which means you can use it in the outdoor as well. In a fashion studio or whatever, you can just hand hold it to get it in whatever angle that you want. So it's super convenient. So they're super cool, and now can you see I've changed into the RGB light function and I've set at purple light at 267 degrees if you want the precise number. And the dimness right now only at 9%, so that I don't blind you guys, I don't blind myself, but it is looking super cool with all this purple light that you can see in the reflection. So this C100 super powerful light, it comes with Dynavolt cooling technology Mark II. So the new Dynavolt cooling system Mark II, it now enjoys 9 fans, so it can really cool the light down if you need to. But once the cooling system is triggered, the noise is very quiet. What's super awesome about the design of the C100 is that you can actually attach 4 of the same light to make it into even more powerful light panel. So in this tiny little box, you can get the C100 multi-color light tube connector. Means you can actually connect these tubes together into 4 in sequence. So if you hold all these 4 tubes in sequence, it will have 400 watt equivalent light panel. So the whole setup will weigh about 10 kilograms. If you compare it to some other competitors, then they will definitely weigh a lot more. So you have the light and super efficient setup with C100. Inside the bag, it comes with this device. So this would be a very practical way for you to hold the light up. A lot of times you do want horizontal light, and the panel and the control, the 2 dials are here. So the entire control of the system is super sleek. These dual dials help me change the parameters seamlessly. But you can also press these dials like a button to change the parameter. Here I'm pressing the dial and changing the dimness to 0 to 50% and then 50% to 100%. But for the precise changes, I use the dial. Now let me move from CCT to HSI and then RGB. You can always change the parameter of RGB. Now let's explore the 100 watt colorful key light. So first, the RGB modes. There are 6 of them. This is color fade and then color cycle. You can see much better if I darken it. It looks really pretty. This is 1 chase. 2 chase, 2 colors chasing, red and blue, and 3 chase. This is green, blue, red, and then followed by rainbow. When I darken it, you can really see all the rainbow color spectrum moving slowly. And now onto the very special color effects: SOS, TV, lightning, candle, bed bulb, paparazzi, CCTV flash, followed by police car. And this is firework and disco. You can change the speed to all the way to 5. Level 5, it is super fast, really giving that disco feel. Now it's hue flash, You can change the hue color with the smooth dial. And then hue pulse. Hue loop. And it really shows the whole 360 degree of color. And this is CCT pulse. You can change the color temperature of the white, followed by CCT loop. Next, we move on to the special music mode. This is music mode. It only reacts if I'm singing, so maybe I should sing, but I'm a bad singer, so I'm not gonna sing, but it reacts to my voice. So this light bar is only 30 centimeters in full length. However, it is so powerful in performance. And because it's only 30 centimeters, it is very easy to carry on my backpack. If you work in a big studio, you'll be happy to learn that C100 can be controlled wirelessly via its app. If I press, then there is a menu. So if I want to initiate, then let me press a button to start. So in this CCT menu, there is daytime, tungsten lamp, and so on. So if I press daytime, it instantly changes. If I move to tungsten lamp, it instantly changes. And you can change the parameter to suit your need. And at the bottom, there are different menus such as CCT gel. These are more professional use. CCT pair. So you can actually pair up the color. So if I want to go for like the cool white, then it changes. And if I want to change the color, and I can just change the color like this, and you can really see it is completely instant. This is super intuitive and you can do everything remote. And at the bottom there is a picker. This is just like having a computer. So I can retry, and for example I have a yoga mat mint color, and if I pick it, then it just changes into blue. And let me retry again and pick out the green of my plant. And you can see that the color now has changed into green. This color picker is extremely accurate, and I'm just picking the color from my pink skirt, the baby pink skirt, and now C100 is showing the soft baby pink. So with all the cool features that C100 has, you might wonder how long is the operational time? Well, if you use this light at full power at 100 watt, it will last up to 54 minutes. However, let me just double check the light right now, and it's really showing off the blue light as you can see with the reflection. Well, this is only at 10% dimness, so it's definitely not using the full power, still looking really saturated, really bright. At half performance, if you're using it at 50 watt, then it will last up to 129 minutes. And if you decide to use it only at 20 watt, then it will last up to a hopping 338 minutes. So yes, with C100, you can pretty much last the whole day. And don't forget, it can be charged with USB Type-C. I've actually charged this with my fast charging mobile phone adapter, and it was charging totally fine. But of course, it comes with a USB Type-C as well as the DC power supply. So this C100, the brand new light from Zhiyun, well, it is packed with different features and packed with so much technology, and I love the design. You know, this light, the entire light, and I've actually had it on for the whole time, and it's very cool. You know, it's no different from the table. So this entire front surface is light, so it is amazing. I love the design. So don't forget to check out the link down below to find out everything you need to know about C100, including a great package promotion. And I'll continue to use this C100 light in my studio because I love this light already. So don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you!